Hi, everybody. How you doing? Teresa Phillips here from Redeem and Renew Skin Solutions. I am here in my lab, and I just want to thank all of you that have been so supportive to our small business. Yes, we have a small business, and we are excited about what we are doing. Several years ago, I went to a conference, a Christian conference, and I heard the speaker talking about angels, and I think angels is just fascinating. And while he was talking about angels, he said we had angels that look like us. So the next morning I got up and I looked in the mirror and I said, if I am an angel that looks like me, we're in trouble. God help. In my Bible study, I began to read about Queen Esther and how she had to be purified and how long it took for her to be bathed in oils and creams before she could be with her one night with the king. And I thought, oh my goodness, it took so many years for me to get these wrinkles that I have. It's going to take time for me to get rid of them. So, after being at the conference and reading about Queen Esther, I ended up developing a product that you see right here. Yes, 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 yes. It's called the Royal Spa Kit. And this Royal Spa Kit was something that I made on my own. I took it to church. People at church loved it. And next thing you know, people wanted it. So I ended up going to school and I ended up becoming a certified formulator of skincare, which I love because I love transforming people. I ended up making the spa kit and that became my go-to. I tried doing other things, like adding vitamin supplements and things like that. It just didn't seem to work. So I cut a lot of things out and went back to the basics. And as I was starting to make skincare, I began to realize a transformation in my own skin as I'm pushing 70 years old. Yep, I am. I'm pushing 70 years old. And look at me. It has been a blessing and a wonderful journey that I've been on in order to prepare skincare for you. And so I want to give you a little backstory of a young woman that I met. Her name it's immaterial what her name is, but she didn't have much. She's a single mom. She works 3 jobs. She's absolutely a wonderful, wonderful woman, and she needed help. So the bunch of us got together and we raised a little bit of money and I took her out shopping on a Friday night and got her some clothes. And I said, I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna head over to Ulta. And we went over to Ulta. I wanted to just bless her in any way that I could. And I realized that she couldn't buy anything that was in the store. And I said, what is wrong? And she says, I can't use this. My skin just absolutely will not take this stuff that's in this store. I said, I'll tell you what I'll do. I will go into the lab and I will make you a foundation for your skin. She's like, what? And I said, yeah, I will make it for you. I don't make makeup, although I make my own foundation. I'm not going to get into making cosmetics because I am into skincare, but we do have a great makeup primer. And so she came back to the house here and we were talking in the lab and I ended up giving her a spa kit. I ended up giving her the makeup primer. I ended up giving her a bunch of stuff to take home with her. And I just said, here, and then I will make a uh, foundation for you. A tinted moisturizer was what I was going to make for her. And so as I did that, she seemed real happy and she was blessed. Well, that Sunday in church, she came up to me and she says, oh my goodness, my skin feels wonderful. I feel so wonderful. Last night, she called me up and she was crying. She says, I just love you so much, everything that you've done for me. And I just feel so good about myself. And that's what good things do. That's what being able to be a blessing does. It makes people feel good about themselves. So I started this skincare company and I started making this product. Let's see, how do I do this? Okay. Yeah, the brightener and the calmer. These two, I'm not sure how to do this because I'm using my Zoom because I didn't know how to do a green screen. the brightener and the calmer. These two serums are fabulous. They're made with chamomile, they're made with lavender, they're made with vitamin C, they're made with lemon oil, they're made with olive oil, and a little something else is in there that I'm not going to tell you what that is. There's hyaluronic acid in it. But these two serums absolutely will hydrate your skin, and it's an immediate reaction. It's absolutely immediate. People from all over the world have said, I can't get over how my skin feels. Now, we are a small company, but we have sent our product to 30 countries. And so we're blessed with that. So you have the two serums. Yep, you have the two serums. That's 1 ounce. You have the organic wash. See, yep, there we go. The organic wash, as you can see, it's up there. It's up there. Not sure how to do that. You've got the Royal Glow face cream, which is the foundation that I use to make her, I'm not very good at this. There we go. The Royal Glow face cream, which is what I use to make her tinted moisturizer. And you get this absolutely fabulous, luscious lip balm that is made with shea butter. Does not have alcohol in it, so it's not going to dry out your skin. It's not going to dry out your lips. You know, there's so many of them out there that force you to become addicted to it. I'm not going to name names, but it's really bad. A lot of that stuff, just because it has a great name doesn't mean it's a great product. And so I've been going and visiting some of the local spas, trying to get them interested in my skincare by just having them look at me. Because like I said, I'm pushing 70 years old. They don't believe it. My doctor didn't believe it. He's now looking into the skincare. People have been contacting me from all over the world. We ship all over the world. And it's just been an amazing journey. There has been a movie star that requested 10 of our lip balms, and they love it, but I can't tell you who it is because then I'd have to pay them, and I can't do that. I don't have that kind of money. Product is everything to me, making a good product, starting by doing basic things, simple things. Changing my diet changed my skin. Changing my attitude changed my skin. Recognizing that I was created in the image of the Almighty changed me in so many ways. And I just want to encourage you that if you go to redeemandrenew.com, you're going to see over 40 products that we have developed here. And a lot of it is because it was developed on demand. And the demand came from me because I needed something. I needed a little boost. I needed help. We're using niacinamide. We're using retinol. We've got vitamin C. We've got absolutely wonderful, wonderful rosehip seed oils. We are creating these skincare products and we're loving it. We're just loving it. We're using green tea. We're using natural and organic elements in our products. I can't say we haven't tested anything on animals. Simply because, and that's my animal at the door, I actually put the oil on her paws. She loves it. She absolutely loves it. She's not licking it off, but she likes the way it makes her feel, especially after this last winter when her paw got so cold outside. And so I just want to share it with you that not only did this gal have her skin transformed, she is transformed inside and out. And I've been helping her with her diet. I've been helping her, I'm not a dietitian, but I know what works. And, you know, if you get a supplement that has saw palmetto in it, biotin in it, these things are really great to help boost the collagen you have left. We do lose collagen. Our skin does get thinner. Our hair does fade out, and it, you know, I have very little gray hair, very little for someone my age. I have very little. It helps with your skin tone. It helps with the texture of your skin. You know, collagen, putting a lot of collagen on your skin isn't going to help it a lot. Taking a lot of collagen isn't going to help it. It's the elements that help boost your collagen that are going to help you. And that's biotin, that's saw palmetto. Those are the things that are wonderful that you can take on the inside. A good vitamin C supplement is really good. I make smoothies every day. And in the smoothie every day, I put my vitamins in the smoothie and I feel like a whole new person. I just feel like it's important to do that. And I'm sharing with you the backstory as to why this product is a go-to product. We've shipped it all over the world. It's a go-to product. You can get it in half size, you can get it in full size. And the reason we've done this is so that you can feel better about yourself. Because even in the good book, it says in the Song of Solomon, thou art fair and beautiful, and there's no flaw within you. And I don't believe there's a flaw in anybody. I just believe sometimes we're not educated. Sometimes we didn't know that we could do something. I have made our skincare affordable. I am not going to be like one of these massive companies that buy a product and just outrageously raise the prices on it. I'm not going to do that. I try to keep everything affordable. The Royal Spa Kit, which is what you see here. Let's see if I can do that. Yep, the Royal Spa Kit. This is affordable. This is over 30 professional grade facials in one package. Yeah, I mean, it's well worth it. Have a facial party, you know. My husband uses it. We have a lot of men that use our skincare, especially the skin repair body cream. They love it. Men love it for their hands. The lotion bar, we have more men buying the lotion bar than anything because they can put it in their truck, they can put it in their car. It doesn't freeze and it doesn't melt. And so we're encouraging you to go to redeemandrenew.com, take a look around, see if there's anything there for you, subscribe. Don't forget to take a look at the front page to make sure that there's a code there in which you can put in at the end for a discount. You know, shop for yourself, buy a gift certificate for someone, check it out. We've got 5-star reviews. Everything has been basically a 5-star review. We've got people from all over the world using our skincare. We encourage you to go and be a part of the team. You can become a member and get up to 36% off year round. That is a big deal. You can become a distributor. There's going to be a page up very soon on how you can become a distributor for this wonderful skincare, and you can begin to make money. But I just want you to know that this spa kit is the go-to. It's what we call the Holy Grail. My husband uses it. My son has used it. My granddaughter has used the cream for her eczema. There has been a tremendous change in that. We've seen a lot of people that have had issues with skin that have said, hey, I can use your skincare. And so that's a real encouragement to us. We love doing it. And I just want to remind you, go to redeemandrenew.com, subscribe, and take a look around and shop. Thank you ever so much for hearing part of our backstory. And we appreciate you, and we appreciate you supporting our small business. Have a great day.